Good morning, students. In our Premier Academy, for May 22 examination, CA examination, from tomorrow onwards, that is 1st March onwards, we are going to start crash course. Both intermediate and the final, all the papers, crash course we are going to commence from tomorrow. It's a full-fledged package. All eminent faculties are under one roof. We are conducting the classes for the last 14 years. All the faculties are experienced faculties, authors, and having passion in teaching also. Advantage with respect to this crash course is, first one, 100% coverage of the syllabus, even though it's named as a crash course. Extended period of time will be there. Mere attending the class alone is not sufficient. We are providing class notes for your better preparation. Daily homeworks will be there. You have to submit the homework. Verification process also there. In addition to that, you have to write test. That too, per subject, 5 tests you have to write. Suppose you are attending for group 1 intermediate, 4 papers are there. 20 mock tests you have to write. We are going to provide suggested answer for the same. We are going to do the valuation process. After valuation, we are going to submit the answer sheet, and you will get the faculty's counseling also if there is a hiccup in marks. So this is the manner we are conducting the classes here. So 1st March onwards, we are going to conduct the class. So make use of the opportunity. Meet you tomorrow.